मेरा सवाल सिंपल सा है, आप हाँ या ना में जवाब दे सकते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ पर तीन चैलेंजेस को आज आंसर करने की कोशिश की गई है, आपके तीन चैलेंजेस को खत्म करने की कोशिश की गई है। पहला ये कि किस कॉलेज के अंदर एडमिशन करवाएं बिना आइल्स के एडमिशन हो जाए या कम इंग्लिश स्कोर पे हो जाए, क्या वो आपको मिला कि नहीं मिला। दूसरा, क्या टाई अप हुआ आपका किया। और तीसरा, क्या आपको कमीशन मिलने की 100% गारंटी मिली कि नहीं मिली, हाँ या ना।
यस
यस
सर।
सर।
यस सर।
आर्ट्स वाला तो हो गया, वो तो
ठीक है,
यस है। और
ठीक है।
कमीशन और जो टाई अप है वो अभी आपसे बात करने के बाद ज्यादा अच्छे से पता चलेगा।
नहीं, इन्होंने आपको बोला कि आप डायरेक्टली इनसे बात कर सकते हो और आपको टेन
जी।
परसेंट कमीशन मिलेगी।
यस सर, यस, थैंक
जी।
यू सर।
यस
आपको
सर।
ऐसा लगता है कि अगर अब आप इन्हें अप्रोच करोगे तो ये आपकी सुनेंगे?
ऑब्वियसली।
बिल्कुल सुनेंगे
बिल्कुल
सर।
सर।
सर,
बिल्कुल।
एक चीज और अच्छी बताई है इन्होंने कि
नहीं नहीं,
कुछ
ये सब
एजेंट्स।
छोड़ो, आप अच्छी और बुरी छोड़ो। सबसे पहले मैं आपकी बातें बताना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है। यहाँ
वही
पर
वही
सवाल
वही मैं
होना
कह रहा
चाहिए
हूँ।
था ना, सुनिए मेरी
हाँ जी
बात।
सर। हाँ जी।
ठीक। आप लोगों को यहाँ पर सवाल ये पूछना चाहिए था, ठीक है, कि यही इसी टॉपिक से मैंने क्लास स्टार्ट की, ठीक है। आपका सवाल ये होना चाहिए था कि एडमिशन कम से कम कितनी फीस में हो सकता है, ठीक है। हमें नहीं ढूंढना, हम ये नहीं ढूंढना चाहते हैं कि कोर्स में क्या है क्या नहीं, ठीक है। आपका सवाल ये होना चाहिए था कि आप ये बताइए कि एडमिशन कम से कम कितनी फीस में हो सकता है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद जब हमने एडमिशन कर लिया, इन्होंने बोल दिया कि हाँ जी ठीक है, 500, ठीक है, 500 यूरो आपने देने हैं और एडमिशन आपका हम प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर देंगे, ठीक है। उन्होंने ये भी आपको बोला कि आपकी जो फीस है, ठीक है, ट्यूशन फीस जो है वो वापस आ जाएगी अगर आपका वीजा अप्रूव नहीं होता। ये भी आपने उन्होंने बोला, बोला कि नहीं बोला?
यस सर।
बोला। ठीक है। अब आपको ये पूछना चाहिए था।
सर मेरा सवाल ये है, इन्होंने मेंशन तो नहीं किया है कहीं पे भी कि इटालियन लैंग्वेज की कोई जरूरत है। रादर इन्होंने मेंशन किया जब आप आ जाएंगे तो इटालियन लैंग्वेज हम सिखा देंगे 2-2 घंटे की क्लास में। सर बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस एफर्ट ऑफ कॉलिंग देम, दिस हैज सॉल्व्ड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so
थैंक
much
यू
for
सर।
your
थैंक
थैंक
यू
यू
मैम।
रमशा।
थैंक यू
Thank
रमशा।
you so
थैंक
much.
यू मैम।
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Now it's fine. It is just my job as well.
थैंक यू
So if
सो
you
मच।
have a questions, you can just write me as well on the WhatsApp. Now my answer have a WhatsApp number as well. They have the email as well. Otherwise, I can write you the email in the chat as well. So you can ever, if you have any questions, or you can ask to me anytime.
हाय, वेरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी
गुड
गुड।
इवनिंग सर।
Good
हेलो।
evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
हेलो।
कैसे हैं सब लोग?
बढ़िया सर।
ऑल गुड सर।
गुड। गुड टू सी यू ऑल।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
जी गुड इवनिंग। ठीक से बैठ जाओ। सुनील, आज मैंने बाहर निकाल देना है।
सर एक्चुअली मैं आउट ऑफ सिटी हूँ
कोई बात
तो
नहीं।
बैठ रहा
ठीक है। ऐसा है कि शैनेगन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो जब शैनेगन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम एरिया जो है, मैं उसी की बात करने वाला हूँ।
सर आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है, थोड़ी सी स्लो।
हाँ सर, आवाज स्लो आ रही है सर।
आप तो जावेद खान ले ही लेना स्पीकर, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, ठीक
हाँ।
है। मंजू की तो फिर भी सुन लूंगा मैं थोड़ी बहुत। चलो, अब आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ अभी अब क्लियर आ रही है सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, थैंक यू। ओके। आई कैनॉट हेयर यू देवेंद्र जी, योर वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल टू मी। आप अपने आप को एक बार लॉग आउट करके दोबारा लॉग इन कर लो, ठीक है। और फिर ट्राई कर लो या फिर अपना स्पीकर टेस्ट कर लो। ओके। चलिए, ऐसा है कि सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक जो है, मैं उसी के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ आज। ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा। वीजा लगाना है शैनेगन का, चाहे स्टूडेंट वीजा हो, चाहे विजिटर वीजा हो, दोनों में से कोई सा भी वीजा हो, ठीक है। फाइल बनानी होती है। जो फाइल बनानी होती है उसके अंदर सबसे पहले हम कवरिंग लेटर लिखते हैं, ठीक है, जो मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली सिखाऊंगा, ठीक है। वीजा फॉर्म भरते हैं, वो भी मैं प्रैक्टिकली करवाऊंगा, ठीक है। फिर इसके बाद हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगाते हैं, ठीक है। जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं वो ट्रैवलर के डॉक्यूमेंट, जो अपना वीजा अप्लाई कर रहा है उसके डॉक्यूमेंट हैं, ठीक है। वो डॉक्यूमेंट क्या होते हैं ब्रॉडली मैं समझा रहा हूँ, इसकी पूरी लिस्ट मिलेगी। ब्रॉडली जो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट हैं वो पासपोर्ट है, ओरिजिनल पासपोर्ट लगेगा, ठीक है। जब हम शैनेगन का वीजा कर रहे हैं तो ओरिजिनल पासपोर्ट लगेगा, ओके। स्कैन कॉपी नहीं लगेगी, रियल फिजिकल कॉपी आपकी पासपोर्ट की लगेगी। फिजिकल कॉपी ऑफ फोटोग्राफ लगेगी, ठीक है। फोटोग्राफ की स्पेसिफिकेशन भी आपको जो पीडीएफ मिलेगा उसके अंदर लिखी हुई होगी, ठीक है। जो कि 35 by 45 mm होती है, वाइट बैकग्राउंड होता है, सब कुछ आपको लिखा हुआ मिलेगा, ठीक है। ये सब मैं आपको डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर देने वाला हूँ, राइट। इसके अलावा फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं।
और सर एक ये टूरिस्ट और विजिटर वीजे में यानी कि एग्जीबिशन को होता है, एग्जीबिशन लगती है, स्पॉन्सर होती है, स्टॉल बुक होती है, जैसे कि अपने यहाँ पे क्राफ्ट कोई भी मतलब क्राफ्ट मेला बोल देते हैं जिनको, कुछ ऐसे प्रोग्राम वहां पे होते हैं कि उनके पे स्टॉल बुक होती हैं, उसके बाद वीजा स्पॉन्सर कुछ ऐसे भी होता है सर टूरिस्ट वीजे के केस में?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल होता है, इसकी और डिटेल में जाएंगे, मैं आपको दिखा भी दूंगा कि ये कैसे होता है, ओके।
ठीक है जी। और जो ये स्टूडेंट वीजा वाला है सर, इसकी हमें कॉलेज कॉलेज क्या कहाँ से पता चलेंगे
वो आज
कि
पता
कॉलेज
चले,
की?
वो अभी पता चलेगा, चिंता मत करो, ठीक है।
नहीं सर, मैं क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन के लिए
सब
मटेरियल
पता
इकट्ठा
चलेगा।
करता रहता हूँ।
बहुत अच्छा किया, दिट्स अ वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन यू हैव आस्क्ड, वही कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट आई हैव इनवाइटेड समवन फ्रॉम इटली कॉलेज, okay, which is again part of Shanagan. So they are, one of the person is already in the class, so they would turn the camera on, you would be able to see them, right. Another person, Ramsha, is also going to join, I think she is also inside now. So Ramsha and Ramsha's colleague, right? Ramsha, if you don't mind, and
Hello, nice to meet you.
very nice. Would you like to put your cameras on so that?
Hello. Good afternoon.
And unfortunately, I'm in the train, so I will not put my video on. But Ramsha is in the office, so
That's
she
fine.
can put in video.
That's
I'm Nenu Gabelia, head of the study department of Italian Hospitality School, which is located in Rome, Italy. And my colleague Ramsha, she will introduce herself.
Thank you, Nano. So should I call you Nano or Miss Gablia?
Neno is fine.
Nano is fine. Okay. Thanks a lot, Nano and Ramsha, for joining in. Okay. So let me introduce you with our students. And
Okay.
so most of these students who are in the class, they are
Okay.
visa agents, right? Many of them have already done good amount of business in regard to different kind of visas, right? And when it comes to student visa for Shanagan, I am sure once they have that confidence that they have a school, college, or institute with which they can say that, okay, they are linked and they can get the admission, they would be able to do admissions and get visa in high numbers, right? So
Okay.
that's why we all are here. Manju is here. She owns a big visa agency in Punjab, right? There is Mr. Bora. There is Dr. Duhava. He takes care of a particular region where he is the one who is top in his area, right? And he is a teacher also, right? Dr. Pooja is there. She is also a teacher. She teaches English. So most of the people here, they have high potential of getting these students. It's only, I'll tell you, the problem area is that when they have a client who wants to take admission, right?
Yeah.
First of all, there are few students who may not have excellent IELTS score or English score. Okay. Okay, let's say if that is not a problem, then the second thing is when they start coordinating with the college, the response gets little slow, and then there is no appreciation, like there is no commission. Okay.
Okay.
The third thing is the trust. If these three problem areas can be answered by an institute, I am sure these students who are more like visa agents, they can give excellent result. Okay, so this is an introduction of my students, and now it's all up to you.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to give the introduction of our school, and then if you have a question, you can ask us as well.
Sure.
Like we are Institute of Tourism and Hospitality. We have different variety of courses like culinary, we have hospitality courses, we have language courses. Like we have two kinds of courses. We have long-term courses, which is valid for 1 year, and we have 3 months courses as well, which is receptionist course, language course, and pizza making course or chef kind of courses as well. So basically, our courses are divided into two parts. One is the theoretical part, and the other part is for the practical part. We are also offering the internships when the student enrolled in our courses. We are providing the internship, which is valid for 3 months as well. So it is all included in 1 year. Like if they then when they will be back from the internship, then they will have the exams, and you can say some kind of certification ceremony they have if they will pass that kind of exams. And afterwards, we have different types of Erasmus courses as well. We are offering to our students as well, which is totally funded, you can say. Like when a student enrolled in our courses, they can go to different countries for just to get their studies, or you can say some classes or some internship kind of courses as well in different countries. So it's kind of like they have more opportunities here if they will have 1 year course. Afterwards, they will find the jobs as well in the hospitality and tourism sectors, because we are placing in the best hotels and also the restaurants for the internships, and which is like you can say which is very essential for the students who when they will find the jobs after the courses. And sometimes the internships are paid, but sometimes it is not paid for the students, because when we place the students, the main important thing is experience. When they will get the experience from 5-star hotel or 4-star hotel or Michelin restaurant, so that is more important. And but the Erasmus is totally funded. Like we will provide the accommodation, we will provide them the courses. They will have some cultural activities, these kinds of activities they will do in their Erasmus programs. And later on, we will have also some other courses we have, like they will be here if they want to continue their studies in our school. They will have different variety of courses in our school as well. But the good thing is that when they will have the D-type visa, afterwards they will apply for the work search visa. Only Italy is providing them for the 1 year work search visa, and they will have the 1 year without work or something, and they will have opportunity to find the work. And you know that Italy is the multicultural country, so they have a lot of variety of jobs here. And the courses that we are providing, and Italy is the tourist country or something, so they will find the jobs as well, because during their courses they will improve the Italian language as well. And everywhere is language barrier.
Yeah, actually, I want to add some information about certification which we are issuing at the end of the courses. Is a professional certification, which is European Qualification Framework number 354, depending on which kind of course you will take. We have also 7 and 8, which is like equal to the diploma, but normally mainly the most important, most popular courses that we are doing is hospitality services, which is number 5, European Qualification Frameworks that Ramsha said, and 6 months and 1 year courses. Also, Ramsha already talked about the visa procedure. We do really assist our students. We help them with all support for visa proceeding and also for the residence permit, which is not so easy because a lot of documentation should be arranged to take this residence, which is for studying. But then, as Ramsha said, after 1 year, you can also transform this kind of permit in the working permit in case you will get a job. And this can be also very useful because the internship programs that you are doing, depending on the one's performance, how you're working, it is even possible that you will get a job offer. Because in today's Italy, as a hospitality sector, there is a huge request of the working personnel, especially ones who are speaking different languages. So it can be a very nice opportunity because in 6 months or 1 year, you will get an physical knowledge, like which you will do at our school, which is located,
Located in
and you will get also your work experience. Yeah. Work experience that will be very
Yeah, thank you.
side in different countries. That can be Latvia, that can be Germany, that can be Cyprus, Spain, and so on. So with our program, you don't only visit and travel and study in Italy, but it can be also different country. This is based on what kind of program you will choose. Also, like regarding languages, we teach everything in English language. Also, we teach, of course, Italian. Sometimes there is a student, they have an English language problem because their level is not intermediate, it is lower. In this case, students are coming to our school, they are starting with language courses, and then they are taking their specific course that can be receptionist or culinary arts or so on. We are offering also different kind of master classes. We arrange also summer schools for our students. We have our own accommodation, which is really very helpful, especially for the visa procedure, because like embassy will check everything, like where you will live, and we can provide already with address and with everything. Of course, if you would like, it is easier for you from the beginning to have our accommodation, and then maybe you can also find by yourself. In today's Rome, accommodation is quite expensive in Rome, but this is what it is because Italy is a top destination and prices are quite high. But it is already good that we have our own accommodation and you don't need to find it, like internships. Internships are also guaranteed and you don't need to go and find it. We already guarantee it to all of our students. So in this case, it is easier because the accommodation is not only question of the budget, it is also question of how many free places are available. In Rome, there is a boom of students as well. Also, Italians who are coming from different cities to study here at universities, and unfortunately, places are not enough to accommodate all the students. So that's why finding an accommodation is a real miracle in Rome.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Nero. So thanks to you also, Ramsha. Thanks for giving the complete brief about the college and the opportunities which student would get. And as you mentioned that there are even courses for 6 months also.
Yes, it is a combined courses. Like one is for like you can start with the language courses because sometimes the students want that they need intensive courses of Italian language or English language because sometimes we have the students from different countries who even don't speak English as well. So we are trying like they will start with the foundation course of language and then they will have a short course of professional like culinary or a chef something like this. But as I told you that in these kinds, like if they will select like 6 months courses or 3 months courses, they will not get the long-term visa. And if they will not get the long-term visa, then afterwards they will not have a 1-year search visa as well. So it depends on the students whether they are coming on the tourist visa or they are coming on a long-term visa. But now I will tell you about our requirements, like what we require from the students. So basically we are requiring that the age should be 18 plus. We are, as we told you, that we are institution, so we are also hosting adult students from different countries, which is 60 plus as well, just for training or something like this. But still we have some students who are 18 plus because it is mandatory that someone who is coming from different countries, there should be the 18 plus years. Then the course, if they want to enroll, there should be the qualification as secondary education, at least like 12 classes. And also we don't need IELTS, because when we will provide you the DOV, so we will provide you the document that we don't need any requirements of IELTS, because every course should be in English language. And but you need to provide the certificate of the English proficiency, because it is mandatory. And
Ramsha, I want to add something. Like, it is not possible to come here with a tourist visa or something. Like, of course, you
Yes.
can come for visiting, but it is no,
No.
you will not get a residence permit with this kind of visa. In order to
told-
be enrolled and then to get an studying residence permit, you should come with visa which is D for studying. Okay, so from the
1 year.
beginning, this is only possibility. Yeah, it can be even. It depends on the embassy and on the course. It can be even shorter, but in order then to do a documentation for residence permit, you should arrive by the visa which is number D, studying visa, and also 18 years old. Yes, for the courses it is only from 18 years old and not before. For the courses, professional courses. I don't mean language course or something like else. For the ones that will issue professional certification in Italy, it is obligatory that it is only from 18 years.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, now I need to leave because we have another meeting, but my colleague Ramsha will be with you, so we can keep in touch. And I hope you good luck, and hopefully we will meet somewhere in Italy very soon.
Sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Enjoy your day.
My-
Okay, so
Okay.
before I start asking the questions, if you have more things to mention, Ramsha, please, you can.
Yes, then I will let you know about the visa procedure. Fees procedure, like how we will proceed. Like, you need to submit the application through application portal that we have, or you can directly send us the email with all the documents of the students, and we will send you the application voucher, which is 500 euros, which is not refunded. But still, the fees which is refundable is tuition fee. If a student got rejected or some happened with the visa procedure or something, so we will refund the fees as well to the students. We are charging in the start 40%, which is 2,000 euros as the proof for the students, because last time we experienced these kinds of things as well, that student came and afterwards they will not showing their self in our school, so, and they will just get the acceptance and afterwards they will not showing up in the school, so that should be the problem for ourselves as well. So we will start with the procedure like this. We will charge application fee, which is 500 euros, and then afterwards we will send you the enrollment letter and also the agreement between the school and the students. You can read, and afterwards when you will be find that okay, it is fine for all the terms and conditions, then we will send you the voucher of 2,000 euros, which should be written that it should be the refundable and the terms if the visa got rejected. And then within the days we will provide you the refund if you will provide us 1 month before starting of the course. So like that we will provide you whole refund of your tuition fee. About the commission of the partners or agents, it should be 10%, but when students, they will at least send us 10 students per session, then it should be the 15% commission of each agent. So it depends on the agent, like how many students they are sending on this session as well. And the most important thing, that when they will apply for the students, in the embassy or VFS or something, so it should not be like in a row, like 5 students or 7 students from the same family or same area or something. So it should be like a scam or something. It should be seems like, because last time it happens, like we have the agent and they just get the admission and afterwards they will, because we didn't know that they are living in the same area and they are connected as a relation or something, cousins or something, and visa got rejected because on these behalves, because it should seems like a scam that you all 5 family members are just going on the same way or something like. So it should be like seems realistic when you will go to the visa embassy or something like this. Also, sometimes it happens that visa asking me about that where is the pre-enrollment, that it should be happen on the university portal, which is mandatory for the universities. But when the students will go, they need to say that we are here for the professional courses, and so we don't need the portal or something like university. So everything, but we will guide you step by step what should be happen, because if I will tell you everything right now, so there should be some points that you will be not follow it properly, but still step by step our guide or someone, if they have a questions, we will available 9 to 5 in the office. Sometimes we have holidays, but still, because now it is May and we are having our summer school in our institution. So from the next month we are going to be quite busier, because August is off in Italy. So we are not working in August, the whole August we are not working. So if they have some query, they can apply for the September session, and or they can apply in the February session.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Ramsha. So if anyone has any question, please go ahead and ask. Go ahead, please. You can start asking the
Okay, Ramsha, very salve to you. I hope I'm getting it right. Is that how you greet in Italian, salve?
Salve, yes, salve or buonasera, it depends on you.
Yeah, so salve to you. My name is Devendra Bura, and I do have a lot of students who are interested in doing culinary courses, primarily short-term courses for 3 months. I
Okay.
do have 2 or 3 questions for you. So
Of
I'll ask
course.
them one by one when you're ready.
I guess I'm ready.
Yeah, so first of all, a very simple question. Do you have a brochure or a document like that available which can be shared through the tourism school to us? I'm sure that it must be a process.
Yes, there should be a brochure which I will share with you, or I can share with the Mayank and he will directly send it to you as well. Or maybe I will share here on the meeting. I don't know. I can share here or
Can
no,
share.
but still
Sharing
I
is
can
sharing is
share.
allowed. If you want to share anything, you can share right now also.
Okay, I will share it on our and also I can share everything on the emails as well as you want. And we have also I can write the website as well, so you can find everything on the details of the prices and everything like this, what we are offering. Also, you can check our registration number. Also, you can check whatever you have a problem with something, so you can check on this website as well. So we have a variety of courses. We also provide a internship page. You can check how many students we are having the internships every like we also have the internship places for the people who wants to come and just to stay here, and they just only wants the internship, but it is only depends on the persons.
That's very nice. So you all have got the email, the website, which I would also, which is mentioned in the comments, which is hoschool.it. And I would like
Yes.
to endorse, like you know, I don't like to endorse, but I'm endorsing it, that it is an excellent college. When you're looking for the students who want to do hotel management or the things linked with more practical and tourism, you can
Yes.
trust them. And the fees, as she has already offered 10%, when you would see the fees, you would realize and compare it. The fees is already very less. So when
Yeah.
a visa agent tries to make a package, your package will come out to be far cheaper than what other agents in the market are selling.
I can understand. Even though we are not, even though because we are just started our school 3 years back, but we have another campus which is working 10 years, which is not in Italy but in Latvia. But you know that now the embassy in Latvia is totally full, so that's why they are not accepting the applications. And we are having 2 intakes every year, which is should be a February intake and the September intake, because September intake is the official ones, but who wants to join us from the between or middle in the course, so it should be the February.
Thank you. Any other questions anyone has?
I have one more question for you, Shamsha. While mentioning the type of visas that will be available for the courses, it was mentioned by Ms. Nano that type D visa would be later, but was there a mention about type B visa? Is there something like a B for Bombay or B for Barcelona, if I got it right, or did I hear it wrong?
I think if you will apply for the short courses, so I think you will get the visa type C, which is the visiting visa. But you need to check with your embassy or your consulate that what type of visa they are providing. Because on the visiting visa, you can come here for the short-term visa, like 3 months courses, or maybe you can come for the summer school, which is for the 10 days or something. It depends on the person for which course they are coming. Because mostly the person who wants to stay longer, they always come with the 1 year visa. Because if you will take the 3 months courses, you will get the certification, but you will have the professional area very less. Like if there should be 2 weeks or not more than 2 weeks, you can do the internships. So it depends, like how many time, for how many long he or she wants to stay in Italy. But the fees is quite cheaper, I know, for the 3 months. But still, if they want to stay longer, so we cannot help anything for the documentation instead, because they are here for the 90 days.
Right. Thank you. Please go ahead, Dr. Dohava. Please go ahead.
Hello, Ramsha. Good evening, and thank you very much, Mayank sir, for providing this wonderful opportunity. And Ramsha ma'am, you have told number of things your institute or college you are dealing with that. But I want to know the very simple thing: how are the classes conducted there, and what is the student and faculty ratio? Generally, we find in the Europe, these classes are online in the session. So I want to know about the classes conducted.
Okay, so before that, as I told you that our institution are new, like it is from starting from 2020, and the for our which campus, which is from 11 years already, we are already conducting classes only in person. As I told you that we are having two kind of theoretical and in practical. So practical should be like you can only have the classes, not the classes, only the internships in the restaurants and hotels. And the other thing, the in-person classes, you should be in the school.
Okay, you told one more beautiful thing that you provide the facilities to the student for employment. So I want to know that how does your college provide the facility, and what are the basic features behind that?
Okay, basically I couldn't able to see you, but still I can tell you. We are providing, as we told you, when you will check our web page, we have providing you different hotels listing as well in the web page, and you can see like we are partnership with the 5-star hotels, we are partnership with the Michelin restaurants as well. So it depends on the students what type of course they are choosing. If they want to go only towards the pizza making or something, so we will try to fit, or we will place them in the pizzeria or something like this. If they want to do chef or something, so we will provide them the, you can say, Michelin restaurant or hotel where they will do their skills. And if they want some pastry courses or something for 1 year, so we will try to put them in the bar or somewhere else. So you can check all the listing we have already on our web page.
Okay, one more question, ma'am. Can student customize their course of study through elective or interdisciplinary projects? Can student customize their course or not?
Actually, we are trying to deliver everything like in general. Like you can say when we will do the bachelor's, so we will choose not the electives but the honors, so we can study everything.
Okay. And can you provide some examples? You recently provided the students like job opportunities or some hotels, like on
Okay.
that website we will get, or you will provide?
As we are not promising that we are not providing job opportunities, but we are providing internships, like
Internship. So I want to know that particular recent examples like you have provided.
Yes, of course. I will give you like we have the students from India, and we will send them to the Tuscany, which is not which is 2 hours away from here, but they are from directly from Riga, and we send them there. So they will do their best. They will have their own accommodation. They will have their own food and everything. 5 times food they will deliver. But the problem is that only one get the job there. So it is also depends on the compatibility of the students, whether he or she will do their jobs properly or not. So it's, or also they are also learning Italian while doing their jobs. So it all depends on the student. But yes, we will promising you that we will provide the internships because it is mandatory in the courses.
I would like to tell you, Dr. Dwawa, I like to answer this. Okay. There is a complete good track record available, which you would
Okay.
be able to see. Once you have students who want to take admission, let me assure you that all the things I can provide you in writing that yes, there are people who are getting job. Okay, so that is not something you should be bothered at this stage. At
Okay.
this stage, you should be bothered about making the student getting the admission and then making the student reaching to Italy in the college. Once it
Okay.
is there, I can guarantee you, okay, once the student is there and studying sincerely, right,
Okay.
the job is never going to be a problem. I will provide job. I can guarantee you this, right? So don't worry about the job. You have
Yes.
to understand
And
the process. Yes, please, Rashmi.
yes, Italy is a multicultural country, as I told you. So you don't need to worry about the jobs, even though you need to start with the odd jobs and then you will come in the profession as well. As I already come as a student 3 years before, and now I'm working with the school. So I think everywhere you will find the jobs if you will do sincerely with everything.
Okay. Thank you, Ramsha ma'am. And you told that 10% commission was provided by your institute to the agent. So when agent
Yes.
will
Now
get the
it
cherry on
depends
cake?
on the agent. Like it depends on the agent because sometimes agents paying fees from the directly to from the students, and
Okay.
if they want, they can directly take the 10% commission from that fee structure. Like you are just minusing your 10%, and then you will provide the last installment, which should be the second installment, as I told you that you need to pay after visa procedure. Or if you want, you can tell us and we will send you in your banks. But mostly the agents can do like they will just minimize their 10% and then they will send the rest amount to our accounts.
Okay. Thank you.
Any more questions? Go ahead, please. If anyone has any questions, because Ramsha also has very hectic schedule. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I have one last question, Ramsha. As we were saying, I did try to log into hostschool.it, which is the website you had mentioned. I can see that there is a PDF document there. And other than that, details, if they are available in some other format, we'll appreciate those.
I will send you the whole information as well, like what kind of fee structure we have, what kind of main courses we have. So I will send you our PDF form as well and you can see.
So to standardize the whole thing and for ease of access, I think you can send it to Mayank sir, and from him as a central agency, then we can collect it, because it will be difficult for as a piecemeal measure to send it to everybody. I think we can send it to one central person and from him we can collect.
Of course. I will send him a web where we have the brochure of our school and you can see like of our summer school and also you can see our long-term courses or short-term courses.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot to everyone and special thanks to Ramsha. I really
No,
hope that the time you have put in this should yield some good result and all of these who
of course. If we will work together, we will have
I
a
have a
good
question for
response.
you.
yes.
Ma'am, after completing 1 year studying in your institutions, how many years we will get post work permit?
This is a question already answered, Vivek, that after studying, you have an option of applying for a job search visa, which is for 1 year. So 1 year student can stay there without having a job also, even without having a job also, right? And within that 1 year, the student gets a job. Let's say the student has taken a job and that company gives permit for 5 years. Student can stay for 5 years. So 1 plus 5 becomes 6. And within that period, a smart person can get a PR also, can get a citizenship also, right? If Ramsha, if you don't mind, can I tell them that from where you are also?
I'm from Pakistan.
See, Ramsha is also from Pakistan, right? And she is doing so well. She is well settled in Italy. So everyone can do that. It is not something that you have to, it is not something you can put in someone's mouth. You can take a horse to the water. You cannot compel horse to drink it.
You need to do your potential and everything in your studies, in your jobs, and everywhere. Because as I told you that I started from the scratch, and afterwards because I came in the COVID time, and afterwards I just applied. Now I'm on the also the search visa, and I applied for the work visa for 2 years. First, they will give you the 2 or 3 years visa, and afterward, when you will have all the documents of taxation or everything like house contract or something, so you can apply for the PR, which is valid for 10 years. So it depends on the students how they will proceed, because sometimes the student wants to illegally stay here, so that should be the problem. But student have the job or something, they will apply for the job visa and they will get 2 years visa, and within 2 years, the main good thing is that they only want B2 level, which is like quite easy here in Italy. You will, when you will start speaking with the people, when you will do education, you will easily understand what type, because it is quite similar with the English as well. So Italian is not that much difficult as compared to the French, Germany, or Polish language or something like this. So Italian is quite easy. We will help you out to understand in the languages as well. We will help you out in the documentation, like what document our police station. Once, like when they will be here, you can say that they will be in the safe hands, and we will try to bring them to the police station if they want sometimes. So from our side, there should be no problem like this. Only the problem is that if they will get the visa.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Javed Khan, if you have any question, please go ahead.
Hello, Ramsha.
Hello.
Ramsha, just want to know that what is the cost of living for Italy?
That's I'll answer you, Javed.
Yes.
That I will answer you separately. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Mr. Batra, any question?
So my question is, after taking admission, there is a big issue of accommodation. Do help
That's
in
again,
providing.
that's not an issue. That is not at all an issue. That's also a thing which is already answered by Nano also. There is accommodation available by the institute as well, and they have an option of even changing it also. If they find it expensive, after a month, they can change it also. So don't worry about that. Manju, please go ahead if you have any question.
Good evening, ma'am. How much gap do we accept after +2 or graduation? 12th or
We don't have any problem with the age gap, or we don't have any problem with the educational gap. As you know, that training is for everyone. So at any age, they can apply for the education here in Italy. Like we have also when I was in the university and I was just 20 years old, and the student who is just sitting behind me is 35 years old. So in Italy, there is no such age problem.
Thank you. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
but
Thank you.
one more question I have. Can spouse go along with them?
This one is you need to ask about like if they are coming on the student visa or something. So you need to ask with your visa officer something, because before the law is different, but now when the prime minister is changed in Italy, so there is some strict laws as well regarding the spouses, or you can say when you call, even though I cannot call my parents until and unless I would be a researcher, or I have a long-term job or something like this.
Thank you. Thanks a lot,
Thank you so
Ramsha.
much.
I would like to now conclude it because the way Ramsha promised to take out time from her busy schedule. Thanks a lot, Ramsha. So if you want, you can carry on, and we would try to give you good result. Thank you. Everyone can say thank you, please.
Thank you so much for your.
Thank you, Ramsha.
Thank you,
Thank
Ramsha.
you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, it's fine. It is just my job as well.
Thank
So
you
if
so
you
much.
have a questions, you can just write me as well on the WhatsApp. Now my answer have a WhatsApp number as well. They have the email as well. Otherwise, I can write you the email in the chat as well. So you can if you have any questions, or you can ask to me anytime. So once I will available, I will try to respond everyone. As I told you that our summer schools are started, so we are just taking initiate to the age groups as well. So now we have small kids in the school of summer school. So we are just doing these kinds of activities right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you can write me and I will share the brochure with you just maybe now, or just as soon as I get
As
time. I
you
will.
feel whenever you feel comfortable, I'll try to create a group and I'll put them all so that they are pressurized to give you some good business also.
Of course, and I would suggest you that you can start, if you have the students, maybe you can start this procedure as soon as possible, because as I told you that in August we are not here, we are on the vacations, because in Italy it is official holidays. So before September, it is better that you have only May, June, and July. Now May is going to be end soon. So it all depends on you, because you know the visa procedure takes time. So we are available here till 2 of August, and then we will have the classes from 15th of September. So I would suggest that you will take, if they want, they will start the procedure for September from now, or they will directly apply for the February intake.
Thank you, Ramsha.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Now, first of all, I have a question. ठीक है, सबसे पहले मेरे पास सवाल है, ठीक है, और जवाब दीजिएगा, ठीक है। सिर्फ चुप रहना तो चलो बड़ा आसान होता है। सबसे पहली बात तो एक जो चैलेंज होता है जब कोई वीजा का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहता होता है, वो ये कहता है कि भाई मुझे स्टूडेंट का वीजा लगवाना है, एडमिशन करवाना है, स्टूडेंट वीजा एक तरह से गारंटी होती है वीजा मिलने की, पर कोई कॉलेज मेरी बात ही नहीं सुनता और कोई कमीशन नहीं देता, ठीक है, टाई अप नहीं करता। आज आपका टाई अप हो गया, बात सुन ली आपकी, कमीशन मिल रही कि नहीं मिली, इसका जवाब देंगे?
सर मैं दे देता हूँ।
बताइए।
आप मेरी बात को दोहराते हैं सर बात नहीं करता कॉलेज।
बताइए।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। और आपने मेरे को 2 या 3 लोगों के बारे में अब तक बताया, एंड आई हैव गॉट पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स, और ये तो बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन।
ये नहीं है मेरा सवाल, ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, एंड आई वांट एवरीवन टू आंसर, ठीक है। मेरा सवाल सिंपल सा है, आप हाँ या ना में जवाब दे सकते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ पर 3 चैलेंजेस को आज आंसर करने की कोशिश की गई है, आपके 3 चैलेंजेस को खत्म करने की कोशिश की गई है। पहला ये कि किस कॉलेज के अंदर एडमिशन करवाएं, बिना आइल्स के एडमिशन हो जाए या कम इंग्लिश स्कोर पे हो जाए, क्या वो आपको मिला कि नहीं मिला। दूसरा, क्या टाई अप हुआ आपका किया, और तीसरा, क्या आपको कमीशन मिलने की 100% गारंटी मिली कि नहीं मिली, हाँ या ना।
यस
Yes, sir.
आर्ट्स वाला तो हो गया, वो तो यस है। और कमीशन और जो टाई अप है वो अभी आपसे बात करने के बाद ज्यादा अच्छे से पता चलेगा।
नहीं, इन्होंने आपको बोला कि आप डायरेक्टली इनसे बात कर सकते हो और आपको 10% कमीशन मिलेगी।
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you.
Yes,
आपको
sir.
ऐसा लगता है कि अगर अब आप इन्हें अप्रोच करोगे तो ये आपकी सुनेंगे?
Obviously.
बिल्कुल सुनेंगे
बिल्कुल सर।
सर। एक चीज और अच्छी बताई है इन्होंने कि
नहीं
कुछ
नहीं, ये
एजेंट्स,
छोड़ो, आप अच्छी और बुरी छोड़ो। सबसे पहले मैं आपकी बातें बताना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है। यहाँ पर सवाल
वही मैं
होना
कह रहा
चाहिए
हूँ।
था ना, सुनिए मेरी
हाँ
बात।
जी, हाँ जी।
आप लोगों को यहाँ पर सवाल ये पूछना चाहिए था, ठीक है, कि यही इसी टॉपिक से मैंने क्लास स्टार्ट की, ठीक है। आपका सवाल ये होना चाहिए था कि एडमिशन कम से कम कितनी फीस में हो सकता है, ठीक है। हमें नहीं ढूंढना, हम ये नहीं ढूंढना चाहते हैं कि कोर्स में क्या है क्या नहीं, ठीक है। आपका सवाल ये होना चाहिए था कि आप ये बताइए कि एडमिशन कम से कम कितनी फीस में हो सकता है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद जब हमने एडमिशन कर लिया, इन्होंने बोल दिया कि हाँ जी ठीक है 500, ठीक है, 500 यूरो आपने देने हैं और एडमिशन आपका हम प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर देंगे, ठीक है। उन्होंने ये भी आपको बोला कि आपकी जो फीस है, ठीक है, ट्यूशन फीस जो है वो वापस आ जाएगी अगर आपका वीजा अप्रूव नहीं होता। ये भी आपने उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं बोला?
यस सर।
बोला, ठीक है। अब आपको ये पूछना चाहिए था
सर मेरा सवाल ये है, इन्होंने मेंशन तो नहीं किया है कहीं पे भी कि इटालियन लैंग्वेज की कोई जरूरत है, रादर इन्होंने मेंशन किया जब आप आ जाएंगे तो इटालियन लैंग्वेज हम सिखा देंगे 2-2 घंटे की क्लास में।
जरूरत ही नहीं है, मैं
तो
बता
दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन,
हाँ
है ना सर। बट इनका जो वेबसाइट है, इनकी जो वेबसाइट है उस पे सिर्फ एक पीडीएफ आ रहा है सर। ये मैंने पहले, सिर्फ जब आप वेबसाइट लॉग इन करते हैं तो ओनली अ पीडीएफ इज कम।
नहीं, आप चलो वो मैं आपको पूरी डिटेल भेज दूंगा, वो सॉल्यूशन आपको मिल जाएगा। इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ, मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ।
Sir, but thank you so much for this effort of calling them. This has solved a lot of problems. Thank you, sir.
पर उस चीज को
सर
समझिए ना।
सर जो आप लास्ट टाइम बोल रहे थे कि कुछ लोग जाते हैं वो पेस्ट्री मेकिंग और चॉकलेट मेकिंग के कोर्स में जाते हैं, तो वो इसी से रिलेटेड था जो एक
भाई
बार आप।
मैं तो पूरे दुनिया में इसी से भेज रहा हूँ। अगर आप मुझसे और भी किसी कंट्री की बात करोगे ना, तो मैं तो हमेशा यहीं पर ले आता हूँ लोगों को कि आप चलो जाके खाना बनाओ। वहां नहीं बनाओगे तो यहाँ बनाओ। सबसे जरूरी खाना बनाना है। ठीक है। फौज में भी जो लांगरी होता है ना, एक बड़ी छोटी सी वो पोस्ट होती है, बट फिर भी सब उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं क्योंकि खाना बनाता है वो। ठीक है। आप उसे कहोगे कि हाँ जी आज बकरा बनाया, तो वो अपने हिसाब, आपके हिसाब से आपको ला कर देगा। ठीक है। तो खाना इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, उससे लिंक करोगे तो चीजें थोड़ी आसान हो जाती हैं। ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट टू ऑल ऑफ यू। 8 बजे क्लास है कनाडा की, जिनकी है वो 8 बजे दोबारा ज्वाइन करेंगे। अभी यहाँ मैं क्लास को कंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है। थैंक्स अ लॉट टू एवरीवन।